for you guys. Just to clear things up, I did not get paid, or not someone bribed me to do this review thing. Yeah, this is just a product review. And yeah, basically I'm holding the item that needs to be reviewed. Here, it's Snoski Fell or Snoski Fell? Snoski Fell. Yeah, I just know the hello language. Hedge. Yeah, Snoski Fell, it's kind of it helps you to fit your foot in your shoes, or rubber shoes, or any closed shoes, any shoes, any kind of shoes. If your foot can't, you know, squeeze in, if this is the type of equipment or material that you should use. And yeah, this is the type of thing or apparatus, yeah, mainly. It says here it's Snoski Fell or Snoski Fell. Hold on. Snoski. There. It's very nice because it's I'm not sure if it's metal, painted metal, iron. I wonder. It's shoehorn. Yeah, it's called shoehorn. And you just basically put it, when you put on your shoes, you just put it at the very end, at the back of your foot. And yeah, you put it at the back of your foot, behind the ankle, and the from your sole, from the back sole and up to the back of your legs, down to your foot. That's what I mean. Yeah, you just remove it, remove the tag or the sticker tag. Trying to I think it's German. But I know a few German words. Netherlands? Wait, hold on. Anyhow, it's a shoehorn. Sorry, trying to remove the sticker just so it will look nice. Sorry, I'm still removing the sticker. I mean, I guess it's alright. I forgot. There, now it's removed. It's a real shoehorn. Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite.